The 2026 Corvette C8 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting evolutions of America's favorite sports car, and honestly, it feels like Chevrolet is still pushing the mid-engine Corvette idea harder than ever. Ever since the C8 switched to a mid-engine layout, the Corvette stopped being just a muscle car and started competing directly with exotic supercars. For 2026, that formula is getting more refined, more aggressive, and more polished. Visually, the C8 keeps that low, wide stance, but everything looks sharper. The front end feels more confident, the body lines look cleaner, and the car just has more presence on the road. It still looks unmistakably like a Corvette, but with a more modern, supercar-level attitude. Performance is where the C8 really shines, and the 2026 model continues that story. The mid-engine layout gives the car incredible balance, quick acceleration, and a planted feel through corners. Whether it's the standard Stingray or the higher performance variants, the C8 lineup is all about delivering serious speed without losing that everyday usability Corvette is known for. Inside, the 2026 Corvette C8 feels more driver-focused than ever. The cockpit wraps around you, putting all the controls right where you want them. The digital displays are crisp, the materials feel more premium, and the overall layout makes you feel like you're sitting in something special. Compared to older Corvettes, this interior feels like a huge step forward, more modern, more refined, and more in line with high-end sports cars. What really makes the 2026 C8 stand out is how versatile it is. It can be a comfortable daily driver, a weekend canyon carver, or a track-ready machine depending on how you spec it. That balance is something very few sports cars can pull off at this price point. Compared to past generations, the 2026 Corvette C8 feels like the Corvette fully embracing its supercar identity. It's faster, more confident, and more globally competitive than ever before, while still staying true to its roots. The 2026 Corvette C8 isn't just an update, it's proof that Chevrolet is committed to pushing boundaries, and for car enthusiasts, that's exactly what makes this car so exciting.